Every year, dealers tell us one of the top reasons they send their staff to the NADA show is workshops. Instructors who are experts in their field bring their practical experience in auto retail and lead workshops and education for dealers and their staff.
Workshops are such a big part of the NADA show. This business is always changing. That's one of the reasons dealers love being in the automotive business, because every day is something new. A new challenge every day is education. We have to continue to grow ourselves as dealers, our staff, managers, and our workshops do a phenomenal job bringing in some of the best talent around the industry to talk about the hot topics of today. What do you need to know to be successful for tomorrow? Not only are the workshops here phenomenal, we also archive all the workshops here, so you can get educational offerings from NADA on nada.org, where we have not only past workshop presentations, but our library of webinars has exploded since the pandemic. We've really been trying to help dealers operate on the front lines to stay profitable, to retain and educate their people, because right now, if you have people, you want to keep them, and one of the best ways to keep them is to grow them. Yeah, one of the silver linings of the pandemic was we basically had to expand our educational offerings to reach our members where they were. So the online education offerings really gave us a new segment of client that we couldn't reach before, and also the ability to take what they learned in real time and apply it the same day. It's literally the cutting edge of automotive education. It's the best place in the industry to go for not only education, content, but also networking, which is such a big part of what we do here at the show. We have the peer-to-peer exchange where dealers can get together and just share ideas. All of our NADA Academy instructors are real subject matter experts. One of the biggest benefits for us coming to the NADA show is to visit with all the vendors here, because we need to stay with the latest trends in the market as well, because we're always updating our curriculum to make sure that we're current. The industry today is not the same as it was 5 years ago, 10 years ago, regardless of the discipline. So that gives us an added benefit as instructors to work the show, meet with vendors, get presentations on what the latest software is. The value you get by attending the show, it's all of the latest and greatest thought leaders in the industry here under one roof.
This year, attendees can learn the latest strategies and emerging trends on more than 75 workshop topics. Find out more about educational offerings at the show and all year long at nada.org/education.